Alright, so we're walking Main Street, USA here at the Magic Kingdom. People are already lining up for the fireworks show, Happily Ever After. As you can see, it's a huge crowd of people with not much room, and there's an hour to go before the show even begins. And this is a look at what the castle looks like. So we're just gonna walk a little bit, show you guys what it's like to walk down Main Street, USA in a crowded Walt Disney World environment. Right here's a reserved section for the fireworks if you're lucky to get tickets for that. Alright, this is where it starts to get congested.
Alright.
Look at this sea of people. The Disney Photo Pass people are taking pictures, and they have quite a few of them along this little stretch on Main Street. People are lining up along the sidewalks to get ready for the fireworks. Also, I always wondered how people don't twist their ankle on those tracks on the floor. Those balloons. A little bit windy today, but that helps to cool everybody off. It's about 85 degrees outside right now. On the right hand side, those are all shops. They have facades that look like different types of stores, but it's one huge store that just goes one right into the other. Now on the left hand side, it does split off into different types of stores.
Let's go. Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. Oh, it's right here at Shaw.
Alright, over there is a statue that has Roy Disney, Walt's brother. Engine Company 71 over here. City Hall. And then that's where you would board the train to go around Walt Disney World. It takes about, I think it's 40 minutes to go all the way around the park because it does stop a few times. All right, that was a look at Main Street and all the craziness here at Walt Disney World. I'm gonna get some popcorn right now.